The Amazon forest is one of the most important places on earth. It is a huge rainforest in South of America, covering about 5.5 million square kilometers. This makes the largest tropical rainforest in the world. The forest is so big that it spreads across 9 countries: Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Ghana, Suriname, and French Guiana. People call the Amazon rainforest the lungs of the earth because it produces 20% of the world's oxygen. The forest is full of life with millions of plants, animals, and insects living there. Let's explore the Amazon and learn why it is so important. The Amazon River flows through the rainforest, bringing water and life to this area. It is the second longest river in the world after the Nile. The river is about 6,575 kilometers long and it carries more water than any other river on earth. The river is home to many animals like pink dolphins and giant otters. The Amazon River is important for the people and animals that live in the forest. It provides fresh water, food, and a way to travel through the dense jungle. Many communities live near the river and use it to catch fish, transport goods, and connect with other villages. The Amazon is full of green plants and tall trees. In fact, scientists believe that the forest has over 40,000 different species of plants. Some trees grow as tall as 60 meters, reaching high into the sky. The dense canopy and at the top layer of trees blocks most of the sunlight from reaching the ground, making the forest floor dark and damp. Some important plants in the Amazon include Brazil nut tree produces nuts that people eat all over the world. Rubber trees provide relax which is used to make rubber products. Cocoa tree grows cocoa beans which are used to make chocolate. Many plants in the Amazon also have medicinal properties. Indigenous people have used these plants for centuries to treat illnesses and wounds. Even today, scientists study Amazon plants to discover new medicines that could help fight diseases. The Amazon is one of the most biodiverse places on earth, meaning it has more species of animals than almost anywhere else. There are around 2.5 million species of insects, 2,200 species of fish, 1,300 species of birds, 430 species of mammals, and 380 species of reptiles living in the forest. Some famous Amazon animals, which are jaguar, a powerful big cat that is a top predator in the forest. Sloth, a slow-moving animal that spends most of its life hanging from trees. Toucan, a colorful bird with a large curved beak. Poison dart frog, a small, brightly colored frog with toxic skin. Anaconda, one of the largest snakes in the world, which can grow over 9 meters long. Each animal has a special role in the rainforest ecosystem. For example, monkeys help spread seeds by eating fruit and dropping seeds as they move through the trees. Insects like bees and butterflies help pollinate flowers, allowing plants to produce. The Amazon is home to around 400 indigenous tribes, some of whom have lived in the forest for thousands of years. These communities know the forest very well and use its resources to survive. They hunt, fish, and grow crops like cassava and bananas. Indigenous people also have a deep spiritual connection to the forest. They believe that nature is sacred and that humans should live in harmony with animals and plants. Their knowledge of the forest helps scientists understand the ecosystem better and find new ways to protect it. However, indigenous communities face many challenges. Deforestation, mining, and illegal logging threaten their homes and way of life. Many groups work hard to protect their land and preserve their traditions for future generations. One of the biggest threats of the Amazon is deforestation. Deforestation happens when people cut down trees to make space for farms, roads, and cities. Sometimes trees are burned to clear land, which releases harmful gases into the atmosphere and contributes to the climate change. When trees are cut down, animals also there lose their habitats and many may struggle to survive. The loss of trees also reduces the amount of oxygen produced and increases carbon dioxide in the air, which makes the earth warmer. Deforestation also impacts indigenous people to rely on the forest for food, medicine, and shelter. Despite these problems, many people are working to protect the Amazon. Organizations and governments are creating national parks, promoting sustainable farming, and teaching people about the importance of conservation. The Amazon rainforest is not just important for South America, it affects the whole planet. The forest helps regulate the Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming. The Amazon also helps control rainfall patterns, which can affect weather systems around the world. Many products we use every day come from the Amazon, like fruits, nuts, and medicines. Without the rainforest, we might lose important plants and animals forever, as well as potential cures for diseases. Protecting the Amazon is not just about saving trees and animals, it's about protecting life on Earth. Every small action, like recycling, reducing meat consumption, or supporting sustainable brands, can help protect the rainforest and keep it alive for future generations. Even if we live far from Amazon, we can still help protect it. Here are a few things we can do: learn and share, educate yourself and others about the importance of the Amazon. The more people know, and the more they can help. Support sustainable products, buy products that are made without harming the rainforest, like rainforest safe coffee and chocolate. Reduce waste, use less paper and recycle whenever possible to help save trees. Support conservation organizations, donate the groups that work to protect the rainforest, and support indigenous communities. Plant trees. Even planting trees in your local area helps the planet by absorbing carbon dioxide and providing habitats for animals. Every action, big or small, makes a difference. If we all work together, we can help save the Amazon and protect the incredible life that calls it home. The Amazon rainforest is a beautiful and vital part of our planet. It is full of life, mystery, and wonders. The forest gives us air to breathe, food to eat, and medicines to heal. But it is also fragile and needs our help to survive. By learning about the Amazon, raising awareness, and making thoughtful choices, we can all play a part in protecting this amazing forest. The future of the Amazon and the future of our planet depends on the choices we make today. Let's work together to keep the lungs of the earth healthy and thriving for generations to come. It is one of the most fascinating places on earth. If you have seen images or footage of the area, it is easy to be captivated by the breathtaking landscape. Home to an incredible diversity of plants, animals, and trees. This rainforest is teeming with life. In 2024, the BBC reported the discovery of an ancient city deep beneath the lush vegetation in the Amazon rainforest, where it was hidden for millennia. Built around 2500 years ago, the city was likely inhabited for around 1000 years. The area lies in the shadow of the volcano that helped to form unusually rich soil for the region, but may have also led to the society's demise. Being a home to thousands of different trees and animal species, the Amazon rainforest is home to more than 30 million people, including hundreds of indigenous groups and several dozen uncontacted or isolated tribes, showing that there are still parts of the Amazon that remain untouched. Over the past 40 to 50 years, 17% of the Amazon has been lost to deforestation and climate change, and it is estimated that if deforestation continues at this rate, there might not be much left in the next 40 years. Tropical forests and woodlands exchange vast amount of water and energy with the atmosphere and are thought to be important in controlling local and regional climates. Water released by plants into the atmosphere through evaporation and plant transpiration and to the ocean by the rivers influences world climate and the circulation of ocean currents. This work as a feedback mechanism as the process also sustains the regional climate on which it depends. What is the connection between the blue-green fields in your bathroom cupboard and the Amazon wildlife? The natural roots of medicine. For millennia, humans have used insects, plants, and other organisms in the region for a variety of uses, and that includes agriculture, clothing, and of course, cures of diseases. Scientists believe that less than half of 1% of flowering plant species have been studied in detail for their medicinal potential. As the Amazon rainforest biome slowly shrinks in size, so does the richness of wildlife found in its forests, along with the potential use of plants and animals that remain undiscovered. Amazon is one of the largest forests in the world. If you like the video, please comment, like and subscribe my channel.